as I pondered the readings, the virtue that strongly resonated with me is trustful obedience to God. Obedience in the Christian life is never mere external compliance. Rather, it is a loving and conscious surrender of one's will to the Father. It is rooted in trust, the deep conviction that God's will is always for our good, even when it remains hidden or difficult. In the readings, I see that obedience is not passive. It demands courage, humility, and interior freedom. To obey is to entrust oneself completely to God's providence. This reminds me that faith is not only professed but lived in concrete decisions. Trustful obedience means walking even when the road is unclear, believing that the one who calls is faithful. Personally, this speaks deeply to my seminary formation. There are moments when obedience is easy, when I understand the reason behind a directive, or when it aligns with my preferences. Yet, there are also moments when obedience stretches me. Adjustments in schedule, corrections, community rules, or pastoral assignments that challenged my comfort. In those moments, the Lord invites me to move from simple compliance to loving trust. I realized that obedience, purified my trust, forms the heart of a true shepherd. A priest who does not first learn to obey God with trust cannot authentically guide others to surrender their lives to Him. Christ Himself is the perfect model. His obedience to the Father was not forced, but freely embraced out of love. His yes becomes the pattern of my own vocation. This reflection challenges me to examine my interior disposition. Do I obey with peace or with silent resistance? Do I trust that God is working even through situations I do not fully understand? Today, the Lord reminds me that obedience is not about losing freedom, but about finding true freedom in His will. It is in trusting surrender that vocation is strengthened, and my heart is conformed more deeply to Christ, the Good Shepherd. And my prayer for today is that may He grant me a heart that listens, trusts, and obeys, not out of fear, but out of love. Amen.